Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, like I said, Abonontanzi now is fighting for his life. He is not playing with anyone. It's just like, you know what? All those people are blatant liars. I don't care what you think. Not as fast, and Urata can say was one as a lending that whole thing, ammunition that was found there. And dances like how when it was closed. Enomunye uti in zazo 11 and then another one 30 something. Like how many were they? Gobani as you can exist vele. They made that up umuhola no mohan. Angithi bona kuphela vela ama witnesses nje in this life. So man. And my thing is that, you know, all these people are going to be arrested once we have this match. And the second allegedly match. Abantu bayigebengu literally bazoboshwa. If, like I said yesterday in my video, if national has been charged, a whole national commissioner ufani masemuni usazothona allegedly makwenze njani. No, Cyril Ramaphosa was just like, I know, it's fine. Ngizobona future yakho ukuthi iphele laphi. I will see, maybe I will replace him because bangeke bamfaka uMkhwanazi. And then now they're starting stories again about uMkhwanazi. Engabe bopha Osinona. Osinona gonna be arrested no Sibi. Usibiya phela mina kahle hle kulo abantu about 16, sometimes bathi 12 officers that were arrested or 16. Befanele abe lapho Sinona no Sibi. But they not arrested Joseph Shadrack Sibi uzoboshwa nini? Uyayibona leyo nto le. Those are imgulukudu-ke leyo ke yangempela ke. Those are like really big fish. Babhizi nama-sardines. Ufish abancane. Ngicela ukuphuza ukuthi nje lapho fish abancane ade sebebabala abanye you've never even heard of them. Sebeyafaka kule tent ka-360 or usukhohliwe the impalas that you bought for usibiya. Usukhohliwe ukuthi usibiya uku-Big 5 uhamba noMatlala wherever he is. Ubhizi nje nabantu abangangeni nowhere. Engabulanda abantu bangempela. They are supposed to be arrested. Abantu bazoboshwa, guys. Like how the guys that are organizing the march, Kasenzo Mewa, one guy was just like, oh, Ulongo is nothing. Zero. We want him in jail. Omunye was together no baba wakhe. Phakathi inside the prison. Guys, abantu nje bayazenzela, they've been doing whatever they want to do. Uzaqhubeka ubaloyi with the lies. Oh my gosh, I'm just like lo baba lo unjani manje. After emtshelile uNtanzi ukuthi listen here, bonke labo bantu bakhona namanga Zungu came here and lied. Abona uConstable Zungu fana ngabe ke yena usebanjiwe bese kulandela ubabakhe entourage yakhe uGinini. uGinini rakhe entourage omuhola nomkhadi ndoba bantu phakathi inside. They must be arrested labo bantu bayimgulukudu like you've never even seen in your life. See, we are keeping him gulukudu in our country. Silibele siyeka sugarcoating things. Oh my God, allegedly uma kwenze njani umuntu kufanele ukuthi aboshwe. Guys, you can't go on like this. This is now getting crazier. I'm sure Brigadier Kinda Plaza is very petty and silly and rotten to the core. I'm sure he's just like, oh my gosh, Mina, oh, you'll never touch me. Like how he was going on in that court anyways. The Kabana no Minisi daily. Minister saying Angina Daba. He even went as far as Ukininda saying, Abantu who were sitting at the back there, Abantu Bakwabin, they here to assassinate him, but he wasn't even there. I'm just like, come on, who's this pillar pimpin? Wafagaza no rats, what's here for they here for me? No baloy, Minanje de Massinje. Shoot me in the head because tell me I want to be beautiful for my wife to see me in my caskets. I was just like, bruh, like honestly. Ubani ungafuna ukubulala umuntu ona 80 amsukele nje ikhothe ehlalela. Like honestly. And Urata keeps on trying to gaslight uNtanzi and uNtanzi uyabaphendula ubalahlela le together nomngane wakhe ubaloyi. Ngoba vele Urata his team state is clear. Yo guys kudlaliwe ngathi. Yabona uCase kaSenzo Meyo. It's like the worst. Yabona even nezizukulwane they will say what was this? Because this is how they're going to be speaking about. This is how they speak even now. What is this? You know, my nephews and my nieces, my in grade 8 right now. Omunye is in grade 5. You know, but what was this, auntie? You know, I'm just like, guys, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't stand this case anymore. Like, young you kwatisa, and we are going to help the Mewas, guys. We are not playing with anyone. After all these arrests that you see, it's busy helping the Mewas much. The match must happen sooner, actually. I'm gonna be there. I don't even know.
Kwabini house that is referring to, I don't even know it. I don't even know where Kwabini resides here in Gauteng area.
Now, if you are maintaining that you saw Constable Zungu for the first time here in court when he came to give evidence, are you able to profile reason as to why he would implicate you regarding your presence at the hostel on the 26th of October 2014?
Loku ugcizelela indaba yokuthi wena wabona uZungu kokuqala ngqa la enkantolo umeze nikuthula ubufakazi. Ungakhona yini ukuthi unikeze inkantolo izizathu ukuthi kungani ke uZungu azokufaka ecaleni ngokuthi wawukhona ngomhla ka-26 ku-October 2014?
Mina njengakusho phambi kwasenkantolo ngokuhlonipha icourt.
What I can say before this court, with great respect before this court,
Ngoba ngisho nje phambi kwasokuthi akakhuluma neqiniso ukhuluma mangaphambi kwecourt.
I maintain that, as I've said, he's not telling the truth but lies in front of this court.
Ngoba mangathula umamela inkulumo kaZungu lezi. Ngapha utshela icourt ukuthi mina uyangazi. Ngapha uthi watshena uGwabini. Ngapha uthi wacela izithombe zami kuGwabini wayinika ubana ngazi jena leshabanga. Ngisa understand inkulumo kaZungu lapha ecourt.
Because if you listen carefully to Zungu's version, on one side he says,
Uthi court uyangazi.
he said to the court he knows me.
Uphinde uyajika ukuthi watshena uGwabini ukuthi mina ngubani.
He changes again and said that he was told by Kwabini as to who I am.
Uyaphinda futhi ukuthi izithombe zami wayifuna uGwabini efuna ukuyinikeza abantu amaphoyisa ngoba akangazi.
He again changes and says that he requested my photos from Kwabini because he wanted to give them to the police because he did not know me.
Mina nje phambi kwecourt angeke lokho njengana ngosibiya usibiya mina ngiyamazi ngeke lokho ngathekisa ngosibiya ngifuna igama lakho ngosibiya mina ngiyamazi ngoba nangimakhosoke ubengangazi naGwabini ubengangazi ngoba lapha ecourt nje ufika wakhoma iphutha wakhomba isithombe wrong lapha ecourt ethi
ngalahlela makhala because here is Makhosonke
befunisa ngami
should be funisa
efuna ukwazi ngami
Makhosonke seek to know about me because he did not know me
naGwabini akangazi uyafunisa
and no Kwabini akakwazi
uZungu akangazi uGwabini angazi
and Zungu also did not know me and then he seek to know me from Kwabini.
Maye ngene ecourt umshushise emhola ngembuzo ukhomba isithombe ukuthi umafika lo mase buza imibuzo uyajika.
When he came into the court, he points out a photo and said, "This is Mafika." When being questioned now, asked questions, he changes.
Akangazi uZungu nkosenkantolo nama ngimazi bengiqala mbona mayengena lapha ecourt.
Zungu does not know me, though. Neither do I know him. It was my first time to see him when he came into this court.
Yesterday we dealt with the issue of photo 47. We're not going to repeat that. Now, as far as your photo is concerned, if we can turn to page 12 regarding the evidence of Constable Zungu in this regard. Page 12.
Ngako ke ma izolo sikhulumeke ngesithombe unumber 47 ngasizophindela kuso kwamanje kodwa maqondana ke nesithombe sakho ngoZungu.
Now
asiyeke ekhasini number 12
at line 6, this is during the proceedings of the 8th of September 2023, page 12, line 6.
ake sibheke umuqa wesithupha ke uma kukhulunywa icala ngomhla zinge-8 kuSeptember 2023 umugqa wesithupha.
This was during the evidence in chief of Constable Zungu.
Yilapho ngangihola khona ke uConstable Zungu ke ngemibuzo esethula ubufakazi ngaphambi kokuthi aphekwe ngemibuzo.
Then we said yesterday when we adjourned, you were still telling the court about the photos of accused that you have received. You can continue from there. You will explain as to how you received those photos. Then at line 11, Constable Zungu testified as follows. The photos that I received them from Gwabeni's phone. I then sent them to my phone. And we then asked him, when was that? Then Constable Zungu testified, although I cannot remember the date, but it was at the time when we had met in Tembisa. And we asked him which year, more or less. He said 2019. And we then asked him, did you take any action as a result of those photos? Did you do anything with them? Constable Zungu responded yes. And we asked him, which accused are you referring to here? Constable Zungu, accused 1 and 2. And we then asked him, what did you do with those photos? Continue on page 13, Constable Zungu. I then downloaded them and took them from my phone because General wanted to see them. And we asked him which general. He said General Leshabani. And he says, I then showed him the pictures. Who did you show the pictures to? At 11, he says General Leshabani. And at line 12, okay, and can you just explain what was the purpose of showing him the pictures? Constable Zungu replied at line 14, he wanted to see the suspects in the pictures as to which suspect I was talking about.
Masiqhubeka ke. Wayesebuza ukuthi wenzani wathi ngakhombisa bengifuna ukumkhombisa izithombe. Wabuza umshushisi wathi ubani wathi ke uZungu uJenene Lishaba. Wayesebuza ke umshushisi wathi kulungile ke. Ngachaza ke ukuthi ke kwakuyini inhloso yokukhombisa lezo zithombe. uZungu waphendula wathi wayefuna ukubona abasolwa ezithombeni ukuthi yibaphi labo basolwa engangikhuluma ngabo.
Yes, do you wish to comment on this portion of the evidence of Constable Zungu?
Ungathanda ukuphawula yini kulena ngxenye yobufakazi buka Constable Zungu na?
Yebo ngoba efuna ithombe zethu angithi mina kangazi yebo ngoba efuna isithombe sama kangazi nama ngimazi.
Yes, he wanted our photos because he did not know me. Hence, he wanted my photo because he did not know me at all.
Ngoba nalapha ecourt ungenela watshena ecourt ujena ukhule ngapha ehlabathini makufika ubaba wakhe la baba ukukhulele enkandla maye lezinto sezingo omehluko omningi.
Even in court, he arrived here and said he grew up at Eshabati. When his father came here, he said no, he grew up at Nkandla. These two things actually do not agree.
Mr. Ntanzi, if you look at his evidence on page 13, we asked him as to what was the purpose of showing your pictures to General Leshabani. He says General Leshabani wanted to see the suspect in the pictures as to which suspect he was talking about, not that he did know you.
Nkosi enkantolo. Ngangingekho mina uZungu ekhuluma noLeshabanga okokuqala lokho.
My Lord, firstly, I was not present when Zungu spoke to Lishabane.
Okwesibini Nkosi enkantolo mina uZungu angimazi. Qala ukumbona lapha ecourt methula ubufakazi bakhe.
I saw him first time in court when he gave his evidence here.
Now, back at page 19,
Siphindele ke ekhasini leshumi nesishagalolunye.
Ngoba Nkosi enkantolo kwazona izinhlamvu abakhuluma ngazo. Angizange ngize ngizibone noma ngisho icourt yaseHlabane yathi abazilethe. Azange bazilethe phambi kwecourt. Ngisho ke iwarrant leyo yokusesha azange bayiveze icourt mayicela.
Even the search warrant, they could not produce it when the court asked them.
Manje lenkulumo ekhunywa ngumkhana Nkosi enkantolo ayilona iqiniso.
Now, my Lord, all this that was said by Mukhane here, it's not the truth.
Sorry, so the house was locked, according to you,
So ngokusho kwakho ke indlu
at
yayikhiyiwe
Freedom Park.
eFreedom Park.
Ngokusho kwami Nkosi enkantolo ngoba kaze bangene ejalidini ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
according to me, my Lord, because they never went inside the yard.
Ngoba kwangeke lo muntu engemshiya endlini Nkosi enkantolo ashiya indlu engayikhiyanga.
Because the person that are left in the house would not leave the house.
Yeah, I hear you. So, but you are saying your evidence is they came all the way from Johannesburg, Boksburg, Vosloorus, at the court, Boksburg. They traversed the whole of the Transvaal right up to Rustenburg. They never got into the house. All five of them, they never got into the house.
Emagama uthi wena ke bahamba lonke lelo banga ukusuka eFosloorus of Boksburg lapho basuka khona bahamba yonke le ndlela baze bayofika lena azange bangene endlini.
Azange bangene Nkosi
Yeah, fine.
enkantolo.
I hear you. Then all they did was to accuse you of possession of ammunition, which you don't know about.
Bakwenza nje kuphela ukuthi ke manje bakubhece ngecala lokuthi ke lezinhlamvu ongasilutho ngalo.
Babengibhixa Nkosi enkantolo.
They were accusing me, my Lord.
Yeah, fine. So, but after that, they took you to the police station,
Kulungile emva kwaloko bakuthatha bakuyise
opened a
emaphoyiseni
false charge against you,
bakuthwesa icala lamanga
and then they took you to, I don't know, Primrose.
and bakuthatha ke bakuyise angazi kuphi ePrimrose.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
A brigadier, 2 warrant officers, and the other 2 guys, Mahola and Daniel. They all travel all this way,
Ubrigadier.
all this way. They don't even get into your house. Nothing.
Azange Nkosi enkantolo bangene.
Bonke
Okay,
labo
fine.
bashoyo bonke bahamba nawe lutho azange bangene.
Azange Nkosi enkantolo bangene endlini.
They never entered, my Lord.
Ngoba phela mabengena endlini Nkosi enkantolo bathole bani egeyithini ngubani obavulela igate longena ngaphakathi.
Because if they said they went into the house, whom did they found at the gate? Who opened the gate for them to go inside?
Ngoba lapha kuleka abantu basebenza ebusuku kunabantu abasebenza ko 16 sharp into emashaftini asedeni abavuka ngo2 ngo3.
Because people were sleeping, people work night shifts there. There are people who works at
Emashaftini akude abavuka ngo3 ngo4.
far away shafts, who wakes up very early around 3 and 4.
Ngoba Nkosi enkantolo ngibeke nje ngithi icacisela icourt le. Ithe
Maybe to clarify it for the court, to put it clear in this court.
ngoba lapha Nkosi enkantolo ama witness ayethu kwakungumkhani nomkhula.
Because there are 2 witnesses, namely Mokhane and Mukhula.
Uthe umunye icourt mayimbuza ukuthi uthola inhlamvu engaka wathi umunye uthola inhlamvu ezo11.
When the court asked him how many bullets did he found there, he said found 11.
Omunye uthola inhlamvu ezo38. Manje leyo nto lemaphoyisa nje lamasini amaphoyisa amakhulu la South Africa.
The other one says he found 38 bullets. These are police, senior police officers in South Africa.
Ngoba ngisho icourt isicela inhlamvu uGininda wayekhona ehlele court icela inhlamvu icela bezilethe umkhani uthi ziGininda agcina ngabuyanga nazo.
And even when Kininda was seated there inside court, when the court asked Ucela Mukhane,
Abathi akalethe inhlamvu ecourt.
Mokgadi-
What is it Guinea?
Mokgane was asked to produce or bring the ammunition to the court, and he said they are in Kininda's position,
Zagcina engafikanga phambi kwecourt.
and eventually they will never reach the court.
Ngisho imini le kuthiwa mhlawumbe bahamba bazisa kwiballastic yagcina engafikanga kwicourt kwayona.
Even the fingerprints, yayiswa ku-ballistic.
Angithi bathi mhlawumbe bayithatha bazisa kwiballastic basalinda lokhuza imiphumela agcina engafikanga kwayona. Lo mphumela ele enhlamvu ukuthi
Or
inhlamvu
imiphumela yemihlambi,
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah.
Pardon me, my lord, the result of the ballistic test, because they said they took the ammunition for ballistic test. The results were never produced in court.